Our crews travel to you ready to install premium safety measures with reliable trucks and a fully stocked mobile shop, bringing the benefits of a top-tier safety contractor to your facility. We offer nationwide installation services, including electronic safety device integration, from single-location manufacturers to multi-plant facilities. We support industry-specific machine guarding improvements across diverse sectors, including automotive, paper, textile, metals, wood, food, transportation, medical, pharmaceutical, aerospace, and more, all prioritizing worker protection. Our experienced field crew can custom fit guarding for any machine, from single enclosures to full production lines, including older, pre-OSHA models not originally designed with safety in mind.
PowerSafe Automation, engineering your safety.
Call today at 844-520-SAFE or visit our website at PowerSafeAutomation.com.